Hey warriors, welcome back. I'm Nicole Andrews, and today I'd love to show you what just came in the mail. But first, I have to mention I've been searching for an organic skincare, body care line for quite some time now, and I found one that's completely legit and it's better yet, reasonably priced. So I've been obsessed with lowering our toxic load since I was diagnosed with unexplained infertility about 10 years ago. I mean, how many of us go on autopilot buying the same products over and over again without even thinking about it? But the truth of the matter is, everyday products in your home, it could be making you and your family sick. The average woman is exposed to over 168 toxins a day, as well as babies. They have found 200 chemicals in the umbilical cords of newborn babies. So the bottom line, guys, is everyday products in our home could be damaging our skin and making our family sick. So how is that possible? There are more than 1,300 toxic chemicals that are banned in Europe, but only 11 are banned in the United States. Those toxic chemicals are found in hair, skin products, antiperspirants, perfumes, fragrances, and they're things that people use multiple times a day. So these toxic chemicals, they're directly absorbed into our bloodstream, and they could be stored in our body for years if we're not careful, causing a high toxic load. 90% of cancer is caused from environmental factors. So you're in control what you and your family are exposed to. It's not just cancer, it's also Alzheimer's increased since 2000, 146%, and since 1960, breast cancer increased also 180%, autism increased 700%. So disease rates, they're climbing every single day. They're on the rise. And so why are toxic chemicals allowed in products? 3 reasons. 1, they're cheaper. 2, toxins make their products last longer. And 3, U.S. regulations, they don't require testing for personal or home care products. And these toxic products are affecting the skin's microbiome, which is like our gut microbiome. It's important for our skin to have healthy bacteria, which protects it from pathogens and dryness. And Pure Haven has been able to develop products that protect our skin. Remove 135 chemicals from your personal care products by using organic products. Pure Haven was recently featured in Forbes magazine, and it was also featured in Modern Living with Kathy Ireland and Worldwide Business with Kathy Ireland. So when you choose Pure Haven, you're not completely satisfied. They will give you a full refund. And let's just take a look at what came in my box today. I paid only $189 for this entire box of USDA Certified non-toxic products. And I couldn't wait to do this video for you guys because I want to use them right away without even getting sick or having that concern. They're very concentrated as well, so you only have to use a little bit, so they're good for a few months. So if you're at all interested, you can private message me and I'd be happy to tell you how I set up my own order. So let's just get to it. Nothing to it but to do it with this unboxing business. And I really wanted to show you, they give you so much stuff. So I actually ordered the lifestyle package, and what you can see here, and you can get just the skincare package, you can get the lifestyle package, or you can get a combination of different things. But as you can see, this is more of the lifestyle. All of these products came. So, for example, this is body butter, and it's a small version, but it's Sweet Orange Dream Cream. It's made with aloe vera, shea butter, vanilla, and chamomile. So really, there's not a lot of ingredients, and they work very hard on their products to make sure that they don't have chemicals. In fact, researching this company, I found that it took them 3 years to develop their cocoa butter without a preservative. So they take their time. Sweet Orange Hair Conditioner, Horsetail, and Peppermint, great for the scalp. I know some people just rub peppermint oil diluted in their scalp to help stimulate hair growth. It's already in there. Same thing, so shampoo and conditioner. We also have some soap made with cocoa butter and goat milk, which is great, nourishing for the skin. And I think the biggest sell for me with Pure Haven products was their attention to the skin's microbiome. And that is really important for protecting our body, our skin, from foreign pathogens that get in through that pathway. So soap comes in there. We have a little baking soda rosemary spray, so you can help. This is great for stains, bedding, pillows. You can be okay that it's also protective. So comfort oil, helichrysum, frankincense, lavender. There are so many great things in here, and this is really good for your body and your skin as well. Deodorant with baking soda, coconut, peppermint, and tea tree. So that's a nice one. Toothpaste made with aloe, peppermint, cinnamon, and clove. Very protective for our gums and our teeth. And surface cleaner, lime, lemongrass, tea tree. Antibacterial. Tea tree oil kills more bacteria than the chemically laden cleaners, believe it or not. So they have laundry detergent you can take or leave, and of course some shea butter, spearmint, sweet almond lip balm. So that's the body package, and I'm so glad that I actually did get that too, because I always look for cleaner products. Now, if this isn't gorgeous, it's really great because with the skincare line, you guys, a lot of skincare products, and I love Beauty Counter and I love what they're doing. They are definitely working hard to increase the labeling laws, and that's great. However, they're very expensive too, and I found that these are at a better price, but they do not lack in quality. And so you have here your refreshing cleanser, and again, everything has those pre and probiotics to help with the skin's microbiome. And then we have rose flower, pomegranate, cucumber in that. There's moisturizer with aloe and pomegranate, toner with yucca, witch hazel, yuzu mint, refresh night serum with carrot oil and pink grapefruit. So that's great. And then the refresh eye cream has also rose flower in it. So these are very quality, and again, they're concentrated, so you don't have to use a whole lot, and they will last you a long time. The other two bonuses I got in my little box here, you guys, are an exfoliator with aloe, pomegranate, yucca, and a purifying charcoal mask. Who doesn't like a nice mask spa treatment with bentonite clay, charcoal, and hemp. So again, these are they have them in different sizes. And they also give you a bunch of samples of the eye cream with rose flower and the night serum with the carrot oil and pink grapefruit. So they give you a bunch of those, as well as a whole book of different products that they offer. So lovely, you guys. I just had to introduce this company to you. Also, what's really cool is you get a pocket guide of harmful ingredients, so that you can give those away and start to educate your family and your friends about this if it moves you like it did me. So we also have all about the company. You get a folder and a huge flip chart that talks all about toxins. And as you can see, they do a lot of comparisons with regular high-end products and all the chemicals they contain, what their effects are on the body, especially the endocrine system, especially with regards to our hormones. Hence, I couldn't get pregnant. There are a whole host of things. It's a whole body approach. And these ingredients they're actually food grade, so you can eat them and not worry about, I don't know if you want to eat them, I guess if you're really hungry, but if you wanted to, you could. So the glycerin, it has stearic acid and shea butter, and this is again the eye cream, and the results are amazing. This company's been around for quite a while now, and if you have any questions, definitely feel free to private message me. I wanted to introduce Pure Haven to you guys as soon as possible because I was so excited when I found it. I just wanted to share the message, and like I said, I've been looking for a great body care, skincare line that's USDA Certified Organic, that is food grade, and that is also for a good price. And I think Pure Haven really hits all those areas, and I hope you enjoy this video. So definitely private message me if you're interested, or leave a comment and I will get back to you. Have a great day, guys. Stay fresh.